Into eating the ice cone. Yeah. How's it tasting so far?
Cold and moist, like an old lady's pussy.
Oh, yum. I hold it. Mmm. Yummy. Wait, wait, hold it. Keep going.
I'll finish it. You
Hey,
go probably.
okay. Alright. Marcus, hold it. Oh, I want to video this shit. Okay, let me move through it. Okay. Marcus is going to throw this massive ball.
Solid.
Okay, go, man. Yay!
Ain't that solid?
That's pretty fucking gay, man.
Yeah.
Anthony is still eating.
Holy snap, dude.
Oh.
Fuck yeah!
Just look at the fucking head, man.
Cold, man.
Mm.
Yeah.
That's fucking sick.
It's one way to pack a snowball. It's like a cock. Just finish everything on the fire. I'm not thirsty anymore.
Yeah, you wouldn't be. You're fucking sick.
Oh, this in one mouth.
Okay, go.
Water. Hold on. He's ganging on ice. It's supposed to be erotic. It's turned on now, bitch.
Yes, yes.